Level 2 Award in Food Safety Quiz 10. Question 1. Which of the following is most likely to cause an allergic reaction in someone with a milk allergy? A. Lactic acid. B. Casein. C. Butter flavoring. The correct answer is B. Casein. Question 2. Which of the following foods is considered the highest risk for bacterial growth due to its combination of high moisture and protein content? A. Sliced cucumber. B. Raw minced beef. C. Hard-boiled egg. The correct answer is B. Raw minced beef. Question 3. Which of the following practices is most effective in preventing cross-contamination in a commercial kitchen? A. Using separate chopping boards for raw meat and vegetables. B. Washing chopping boards thoroughly with hot water between uses. C. Wiping chopping boards with a clean cloth after each use. The correct answer is A. Using separate chopping boards for raw meat and vegetables. Question 4. Which of the following foods is most likely to support rapid bacterial growth if left at room temperature? A. Cooked rice. B. Raw chicken breast. C. Soft cheese. The correct answer is A. Cooked rice. Question 5. Which of the following is most important when using a chemical disinfectant in a food preparation area? A. Ensuring the disinfectant is food safe. B. Using the disinfectant at the correct dilution. C. Applying the disinfectant after rinsing with cold water. The correct answer is A. Ensuring the disinfectant is food safe. Question 6. Which of the following conditions is most likely to accelerate spoilage in high-protein foods? A. Low pH. B. High water activity. C. Cold storage. The correct answer is B. High water activity. Question 7. Which of the following foods is most likely to support the growth of Clostridium botulinum under improper storage conditions? A. Vacuum-packed smoked fish. B. Fresh strawberries. C. Cooked lentils stored in a sealed container at room temperature. The correct answer is A. Vacuum-packed smoked fish. Question 8. Under UK food safety guidelines, when can a food handler return to work after experiencing vomiting and diarrhea? A. As soon as they feel better. B. 48 hours after symptoms stop. C. 72 hours after symptoms stop. The correct answer is B. 48 hours after symptoms stop. Question 9. Which of the following best demonstrates the principle of linear flow in a food preparation area? A. Raw and ready-to-eat foods are prepared in separate areas using separate equipment. B. Food moves in one direction from delivery to storage, preparation, cooking, and service. C. Staff clean and sanitize all food and hand contact surfaces from dirty to clean through the kitchen. The correct answer is B. Food moves in one direction from delivery to storage, preparation, cooking, and service. Question 10. Which of the following is most likely to cause a norovirus outbreak in a food service setting? A. Berries contaminated by infected workers during harvesting. B. Chicken undercooked and temperature not over 75 degrees Celsius. C. Ice made from contaminated water. The correct answer is C. Ice made from contaminated water. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more food safety quizzes. See you next time.